Agi mo.
I am bisexual.
Agi ko.
No, agi ko.
Hi, my name is Jet Jet. I am trans. I am 25 years old. My pronouns are she, her.
Hi everyone, my name is Ariana and I am gay.
Hi, I'm Richard, and my gender identity is I am a bisexual, and my pronouns are he them.
Actually, I have experienced a lot of discrimination, oppression, and hate, somehow labeled as hate crimes here in Bacolod City. But as time passed by, as I am working with my transition, the discrimination and the crimes against humanity, whatever you can call that, lessen.
Malikawan ang discrimination as sang gadako na kung gadako tapos lalabot nga ang surroundings mo balahaw ng dapat ang ilang perception sa mo ng dapat amo ka ni hindi ka mag-amuna kay nga laway na mag-amuna.
I mostly got that discrimination from my family. It's mostly from how they see me as a person, or how I dress, because I typically don't care how I dress as a person. It's mostly how I express myself as a person.
I can say that Bacolod is actually a safe place for queer people because a lot of people became more open-minded and a lot of them became more educated on certain topics regarding gender politics, gender issues, and the rights of our fellow LGBTQ plus members.
I feel like nang very safe gito katama kay kung magka-sustain ako nang hindi na ako makilalaan sa mga tao way bala nga ma-feel ko nga ka-okay lang ipakita sa bisan diin or sa tanan nga amo ko ni.
It is a safe space because most of the Bacolodans are actually queer, and most of them are actually very nice and very.
No matter who you are, always stay true, always be proud, and always love yourself and be beautiful.
And surround yourself also with the people that truly accepts you for who you are.
And don't rush yourself towards anything that can be suppressing towards you. I think that's all I can say. Thank you.